Welcome to English Class Channel. Why muscle memory is key to learning a new language. Hey everyone, welcome back to English Class Channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating and sometimes overlooked aspect of learning language: muscle memory. You might think muscle memory is just for athletes or musicians, but it's actually super important for language learning. Let's break down what it is, why it matters, and how you can start building it to become fluent faster. We see explaining muscle memory in language learning, why it matters, how to build muscle memory in language learning, final tips and encouragement. Are you ready? Let's go! Explaining muscle memory. So, what exactly is muscle memory? In simple terms, muscle memory is when your body learns to perform tasks automatically through repetition. Think about how when you learn to type or play an instrument, it felt awkward at first. But after practicing over and over, your hands and fingers started moving without even thinking about it. That's muscle memory at work. Muscle memory in language learning. Now, how does this apply to learning a language? Well, when you practice speaking or writing in your new language, you're actually training the muscles in your mouth, the hands, and even your brain to remember those new patterns. So, when you say or write a word over and over, it becomes easier and more natural. Eventually, you won't have to think so hard about forming each word or sentence. It'll just flow. Why it matters? Muscle memory is crucial for two main reasons: fluency and confidence. First, muscle memory lets you speak more quickly and smoothly, which is key for fluency. You won't be hesitating or translating in your head. Second, it boosts your confidence. When your muscles know what to do, you'll feel more natural and comfortable speaking in the new language. How to build muscle memory in language learning. Alright, so how you can build muscle memory? Here are some easy techniques to get started. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Take common phrases and repeat them daily until they feel automatic. For example, if you're learning English, try to say, "How are you?" throughout the day until it becomes second nature. Practice pronunciation with exaggerated movements. When you're learning new sounds, focus on mouth movements. Exaggerate each sound at first. This helps your mouth remember the shape and feel of those new sounds. Write by hand. Writing helps lock in vocabulary and phrases, especially if you write them over and over. Try this with the most common words or expressions. Daily drills for muscle memory. Set aside just 10 minutes each day to repeat key sentences, write vocabulary, or mimic native speakers. Consistency is more powerful than cramming. Final tips and encouragement. Remember, building muscle memory takes time. and patience. It's not going to happen overnight, but every small practice session helps. Over time, you'll start noticing that you don't have to think so hard when speaking, reading, or writing. So, if you're learning a new language, start using these muscle memory tips in your daily practice. You will be amazed at how much faster and more naturally you pick things up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want more language learning tips from us. Happy learning and see you next time on English Class Channel.